What if you could change your future in just 3 days? Break through every barrier, step into your power, and lead with unstoppable impact. Hello, I am Joy Onyeso, a transformational coach and certified business coach consultant, passionate about empowering intentional women like you to break barriers and achieve lasting transformation. Are you a woman leader, entrepreneur, policymaker, community advocate, change maker, or even a woman in transition? Do you aspire to grow, lead, and make an impact? Then the She Speaks Summit 2025 is for you. At the She Speaks Summit 2025, you will gain exclusive insights into personal growth, business success, and leadership excellence by connecting with industry leaders for mentorship and collaboration. You'll also have the opportunity to elevate your skills through specialized workshops and also to prioritize your well-being with integrated health talks and free medical checks. This year's summit features an inspiring lineup of high achievers, ready to empower you with game-changing strategies and success stories. She Speaks 2025 is themed Empowering Women, Empowering Communities. And it will be held in Enugu State, Nigeria from Thursday 26th through to Saturday 28th June 2025. Registration opens soon. You can partner with us by calling 0704-229-1171. She Speaks Summit 2025. Your time is now.